Climate, buddy. It is 5 a.m. I'm Steve McMurray in for Gary this morning. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help us plan our day. And boy, was it hot yesterday and more of the same today, it looks like.
Yes, so we will be hot once again today with highs in the upper 80s and those heat index values in the mid 90s. But the good news is that tomorrow it will be a little bit cooler as a cold front moves through.
All right, yeah, it was steamy, I think is the word that comes to mind, and soupy, but
yes.
That's what it is. You can't shovel this, though. So
yes, no.
We'll deal with it.
Over the whole weekend, it was hot.
Oh, absolutely.
So
absolutely.
let's take a look now at the heat advisory in effect. This is still in effect until 8 p.m. for the Mohawk Valley. We will be in the upper 80s, but it is going to feel like the mid 90s, so just make sure you are keeping hydrated today and limit your time outside. As of right now, we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there is the possibility to see some scattered thunderstorms later on this afternoon and evening, and that will continue through tomorrow morning as a cold front moves through. The heat and humidity continues for today and for early tomorrow, but because of those scattered showers and thunderstorms happening this afternoon and evening and into tomorrow morning, the heat and humidity does look to break as we head into the later hours of tomorrow, and the rest of the week will feel a lot better. But as for today, highs are going to be in the upper 80s. Thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening, and then we'll be talking a little bit more about when the heat and humidity will break coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. It looks like the
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are still tracking hazy, hot, and humid weather for today, with highs reaching the upper 80s. Let's take a look now at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. It is still dark out this morning, but we are seeing mostly clear skies at this point. We will start to see an increase in clouds throughout the morning, and we are dry this morning on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there is the possibility to see a few scattered thunderstorms and showers this afternoon and evening. This is all due to a stationary front that is sitting just over New York. It will turn into a cold front overnight, and that cold front will push through heading into tomorrow, finally breaking the heat and humidity tomorrow afternoon and evening. But we still have a heat advisory in effect from the National Weather Service until 8 p.m. this evening for the Mohawk Valley. High temperatures are going to be in the upper 80s with heat index values just about the mid 90s. So it is going to be hot and humid once again for today. Make sure you are staying hydrated and limit your time outside. We are already very warm and humid this morning. Temperatures are right near 70. We have 69 degrees in Dowdesville and Little Falls, 74 degrees in Whitesboro. Looking to the south, we have 70 degrees in Hamilton and Sherburne this morning. So a pretty warm start to the morning with high humidity, but things are going to change come tomorrow. So as for today and tomorrow morning, early afternoon, it still is going to be pretty humid with dew point values right near 70. But as a cold front moves through tomorrow, pushing through by the afternoon and evening, we will start to feel more comfortable humidity again. For Wednesday and Thursday, highs are just going to be near 80 rather than near 90. Dew point values in the 50s, and even looking ahead to the weekend, high temperatures look to be in the lower to mid 70s with dew point values in the 40s. So this humidity and this heat does look to break for the middle of the week and the weekend. Let's take a look at everything on the Skycast. As for today, highs are going to be in the upper 80s. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening due to a stationary front. The cold front pushes through tomorrow morning, bringing in some more scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in the morning and early afternoon hours of tomorrow. But after that moves through, much more comfortable temperatures tomorrow with highs right near 80 for the afternoon and evening, and that humidity does look to start to break. As for Wednesday, we are going to be much more comfortable with lower humidity and highs just right near 80. As for today, though, our high temperature is going to be near 90. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible in the afternoon and evening, and rain continues tonight with a low just around 70, still remaining pretty humid. But tomorrow afternoon and evening, that is when the heat and humidity does look to break. Highs are just going to be right near 80. There is the chance for a passing shower on both Wednesday and Thursday, but sunshine returns for the weekend with much more comfortable weather. Back to you, Steve.
comfortable weather is the key word there. Thanks, Hannah. Well, at least 6 people were in.
Welcome back. We are still going to be very humid today with dew point values near 70, and tomorrow our dew point values are still going to be in the 60s, but as a cold front moves through tomorrow, for Wednesday and Thursday, we will be much more comfortable with dew point values in the 50s. So as for today, it looks to be the last hot and humid day with highs near 90, but come tomorrow through the rest of the week, our high temperatures are just going to be near 80, so about 10 degrees cooler, and even over the weekend, high temperatures look to be in the lower to mid 70s, so it is starting to get a little bit more comfortable. So I would have the air conditioner on high for today and for tomorrow. Then come Wednesday and Thursday, maybe a moderate setting, and then over the weekend, it will be a lot cooler than it has been, so I would have it on a low setting. Back to you, Steve.
All right, so one more day of the heat and humidity. Thanks a lot, Hannah. The CDC has sent it is 5:31. I'm Steve McMurray in for Gary this morning. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help you plan your day. And as you just mentioned, a heat advisory as those heat indices continue to climb.
Yes, so over the weekend we were very hot. We will be hot and humid once again today, but then come tomorrow afternoon to evening, it will start to break, so that's a good thing.
Absolutely, take that.
So let's take a look now at the heat advisory in effect. Still through today, 8 p.m. this evening for the Mohawk Valley. We will be right near 90 for the high temperature, but it is going to feel like the mid-90s, so pretty hot today. Make sure you are staying hydrated. We are dry at this point on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but a stationary front is going to be lingering over us today, possibly bringing in some afternoon scattered showers and thunderstorms, and that will turn into a cold front that will push through tomorrow, breaking the heat and humidity for the rest of the week. The heat and humidity does continue today and for some of tomorrow, but some scattered showers and storms are possible this afternoon and evening through tomorrow, and that is when the heat and humidity breaks. Come tomorrow afternoon and evening, and we'll feel much more comfortable with highs back into the 70s. So as for today, we will reach right near 90. Once again, scattered showers and storms are possible, very hot and humid, and then we'll talk about when this heat and humidity will break coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. There was some friendly
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking some scattered showers and thunderstorms possible this afternoon, and it is going to remain pretty hot and humid today. Let's take a look now at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are starting out with mostly clear skies this morning, but we will see an increase in clouds throughout the morning in preparation for some possible scattered showers and storms. But as of right now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions in our viewing area. These showers and storms that are going to be possible later on are because of a stationary front that is kind of sitting over New York. That is going to turn into a cold front for tomorrow. That cold front will move through tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow later on in the day, that is when it looks like the heat and humidity will break, with high temperatures just in the upper 70s tomorrow. But as for today, our high temperatures once again are right near 90, so we do have another heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening for the Mohawk Valley. High temperatures are going to be right near 90, but it is going to feel a lot warmer than that because of dew point values in the 70s. So make sure you are staying hydrated and limit your time outside once again for today. We are already starting out pretty warm and humid this morning. All of our temperatures are right near 70. We have 74 degrees in Whitesboro and 70 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 70 degrees in Hamilton and 69 degrees in Sherburne. Once again, we will reach right near 90 today with dew point values in the 70s. As for tomorrow, it's still always going to be humid as this cold front moves through, but after that cold front moves through, much more comfortable for Wednesday and Thursday with dew point values in the 50s. And then looking ahead to the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, dew point values are going to be in the 40s, and our high temperatures over the weekend are going to be in the lower to mid 70s. It is going to feel much more comfortable heading into the middle and the end of the week. As for today, though, we are tracking an increase in clouds this morning. Some scattered showers and storms are possible this afternoon and evening. Highs are going to reach near 90, but it is going to feel a lot warmer because it is going to be very humid. Tonight will remain warm and humid. Some showers are possible overnight with a low around 70, and showers and storms continue tomorrow morning as a cold front moves through. But then tomorrow we will get much more comfortable throughout the afternoon and evening with high temperatures just near 80 rather than 90. The humidity looks to break heading into Wednesday, and for Wednesday Wednesday, it looks to remain mostly dry. A passing shower is possible, but a lot cooler with highs near 80 and dew point values in the 50s. As for today, we are tracking the possibility of some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Highs are going to be near 90, very humid once again. Showers continue overnight with a low around 70. So tomorrow, the heat and humidity looks to break as we head into the evening after some scattered showers and storms due to a cold front. A passing shower is possible on both Wednesday and Thursday, but we are getting much more comfortable in terms of humidity, and the weekend looks a lot cooler. Back to you, Steve.
All right, that sounds good. Thanks a lot, Hannah. Well, in Ukraine.
Welcome back. We are going to be hot and humid once again today, with the North Country seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. The Mohawk Valley is going to be right near 90 for the high temperature, and the same thing for the southern valleys. But today looks to be like the last really hot day in a while, because looking at our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, it does look like we will be right around normal to below normal in temperatures from a week from now, 6 to 10 days from now. As for today and tomorrow, scattered thunderstorms are possible. As we move through tomorrow, the humidity looks to break, and there is a chance for a passing shower on Wednesday, on Thursday, but we do look to remain mostly dry for Wednesday and Thursday. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. A young Rhode Island Murray meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help you plan your day. And as she mentioned, heat advisory and heat and humidity, the name of the game, absolutely.
Yes, we are going to continue to see very hot and humid weather conditions today, but good news is that it is going to get a lot cooler tomorrow afternoon, and then for the rest of the week, it should be a lot better.
All right, so one more day of just a little bit of stifling heat.
Yes, today. So let's take a look now at that heat advisory that's in effect for the Mohawk Valley until 8 p.m. Our high temperature today is going to be near 90 with heat index values in the mid 90s. So it is going to be hot once again today. Make sure you are staying hydrated and limiting time outside. But as of right now, we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. There is a stationary front right over us. There is the chance for some scattered showers and storms this afternoon and evening. That will continue into tomorrow morning, and it looks like the heat and humidity are going to break tomorrow later on in the day, but it does continue through today and tonight. There is the possibility for some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon into tomorrow morning, and the heat looks to break tomorrow later on in the day. But as for today, very hot and humid, highs near 90 with some thunderstorms possible later on in the day, and I will be talking a little bit more about the heat and humidity breaking coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. It looks like the U.S. will make a
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up to clear skies this morning, but scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon. Let's take a look at our Cavie Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are going to be seeing hazy, hot, and humid conditions once again today with high temperatures in the upper 80s. And on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, at this point we are tracking dry conditions, but there is a stationary front sitting over us. That brings in the possibility for some scattered thunderstorms and showers this afternoon and evening, and that will turn into a cold front tomorrow. As it turns to a cold front, some more scattered showers and storms are possible tomorrow morning. And then later on tomorrow, we will see the heat and humidity start to break. High temperatures tomorrow are only going to be right near 80 rather than near 90. But for today, the National Weather Service still has a heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. for the Mohawk Valley. Highs are going to be near 90, but it is going to feel about 5 degrees warmer because of those dew point values in the 70s. So make sure you are staying hydrated once again today and limit time outside. According to our Skywatchers, we are already very warm and humid to start this morning. Our temperatures are near 70. We have 70 degrees in Old Forge, 74 degrees in New Hartford, and 73 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 69 degrees in Cooperstown and Morris, and 70 degrees in Milford here this morning. Our dew point today is going to be in the 70s, very, very humid once again. As we head into tomorrow, it is still going to be right near 70, but later on in the day tomorrow afternoon and evening, it does look to start to break. And for Wednesday and Thursday, we'll be in a comfortable level with dew point values in the 50s. Even looking ahead to the weekend, the dew point is going to continue to drop. Very, very comfortable over the weekend with dew point values in the 40s. As for today, though, we will remain hot and humid. Highs are going to be right near 90, and scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening. Overnight tonight, a few showers are also possible, a low right around 70. And the showers and storms continue through tomorrow morning as that cold front pushes through. But as that cold front pushes through, we will start to really become more comfortable tomorrow night and into Wednesday. So looking ahead at Wednesday, we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies, a lot cooler with highs in the upper 70s, and the passing shower is possible. But Wednesday looks to be the first day that we are a little bit more comfortable than we have been over the weekend and for the past couple of days. As for today, though, we will remain hot and humid. Highs near 90 with scattered thunderstorms possible this afternoon and evening. Tonight, the thunderstorms and showers continue with a low right around 70. So the heat and humidity looks to break later on in the day tomorrow. Tomorrow through Thursday, highs are going to be right near 80, and a passing shower is possible Wednesday, Thursday, but otherwise we are mostly dry. Ahead to the weekend, we are going to be much more comfortable with low humidity and lower temperatures. Back to you, Steve.
All right, we'll look forward to that, Hannah. At least 6 people.
Welcome back. It is going to be very humid today once again with dew point values in the 70s. But then heading into tomorrow, we will see dew point values in the 60s. It is going to start to decrease as a cold front moves through. And for Wednesday and Thursday and for the rest of the weekend, it is going to be nice and comfortable. The humidity finally breaks. Highs today are going to be near 90. But looking ahead for the middle of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we will just be right near 80 and then getting a lot lower for the weekend with high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. So if you do have your air conditioner on, I still recommend having it on the high setting for today and for tomorrow. But for Wednesday and Thursday, it is going to get a little bit better, maybe the moderate setting. And for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it is going to be a lot cooler with low humidity. So maybe just the low setting for the air conditioner. Back to you, Steve.
All right, thanks, Hannah. The CDC in for Gary today. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help you plan your day. Her forecast never more than 10 minutes away. And as you mentioned, heat advisory again today, but cooler weather on the horizon.
Yes, so the heat and humidity will continue today, but tomorrow, later on in the day, the dew point values do look to drop. And then for the rest of the week, we will be more comfortable and a lot cooler.
All right, that is good news. Any strong storms with the front?
No,
all right,
nothing is looking strong at all right now.
Right now, all right, good to hear.
So let's take a look now at the heat advisory in effect. It is in effect until 8 p.m. for the Mohawk Valley. Highs are going to be near 90, but it is going to feel about 5 degrees warmer because dew point values are going to be in the 70s. As of right now, we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, but a stationary front is moving through today. That is going to bring some afternoon and evening scattered showers and storms. That will continue into tomorrow morning, and then the cold front looks to move through tomorrow. That looks to break the heat and humidity, but it will continue for today and for some of tomorrow. Scattered showers and storms are possible this afternoon through tomorrow morning, and the heat looks to break tomorrow with much more comfortable dew points for Wednesday and into the weekend. As for today, though, highs are going to be near 90. Scattered showers and storms are possible this afternoon and evening, and we'll be talking a little bit more about the heat and humidity breaking coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. There was some friendly...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking hazy, hot, and humid weather conditions once again today with highs reaching near 90. Let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are starting out with clear skies this morning, but we will start to see an increase in cloud cover because there is the possibility of some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. But taking a look now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions across central New York. York, there is a stationary front just above us that is possibly going to bring some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. That will turn into a cold front for tomorrow. The cold front looks to push through in the morning and afternoon hours of tomorrow. And that is what will finally break the heat and humidity for the rest of the week and into the weekend. But as for today, we will remain hot and humid. We have a heat advisory in effect for the Mohawk Valley issued by the National Weather Service. That is until 8 p.m. this evening. It is going to be right near 90 for the high temperature, but feeling about 5 degrees warmer with dew point values in the 70s. So make sure you are staying hydrated and limit your time outside once again today. According to our sky watchers, we are already very warm and humid to start this morning. We have 70 degrees in Old Forge, 74 degrees in New Hartford, and 73 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 69 degrees in Cooperstown and in Morris this morning. Once again, high temperatures look to be right near 90 with dew point values right near 70. So very humid for today. Same thing for tomorrow, especially in the morning and afternoon. It still is going to be pretty humid up until that cold front pushes through. When the cold front moves through, we will start to get a lot better tomorrow night. And for Wednesday and Thursday, highs are only going to be near 80, so about 10 degrees cooler than what we've been seeing. And dew point values are going to be in the 50s, much more comfortable. Heading into Friday and for the weekend, dew point values are even going to be in the 40s with high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. It is going to feel much better over the weekend. As for today, though, we are still very humid. Highs are going to be near 90. There's a possibility to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. That will kind of last through tonight into tomorrow morning as it turns into a cold front. Cold front will move through by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. High temperatures tomorrow are only going to be near 80, but still is going to be a little bit humid up until that cold front moves through. Heading into Wednesday, we'll feel much more comfortable. We will be seeing high temperatures in the upper 70s. A passing shower is possible, but otherwise comfortable dew points for Wednesday. As for today, though, we will start to see an increase in cloud cover. Scattered showers and storms are possible this afternoon and evening. Highs near 90, but it is going to feel much warmer. Tonight, showers and storms continue with a low around 70. So tomorrow evening is when it is going to start to feel a little bit better. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s, and we will start to see that humidity break tomorrow evening into Wednesday. Wednesday and Thursday will feel more comfortable with a passing shower possible on both days and much lower temperatures over the weekend with very low humidity. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. In Ukraine, there...
Welcome back. We are going to be hot and humid today with high temperatures in the mid-80s for the North Country. We are going to be near 90 for the Mohawk Valley, and the same thing goes for the Southern Valleys for today. But looking ahead 6 to 10 days from now, it does look like our area is going to be just around normal or below normal in temperatures. So for the near future, this looks to be the last hottest day looking ahead. Today and tomorrow, we will be seeing some scattered thunderstorms due to a stationary front today and a cold front moving through tomorrow. And on Wednesday and Thursday, we are going to be mostly dry, a lot less hot and humid, but a passing shower is possible for both of those days. Back to you, Steve.
All right, thanks, Hannah. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. I'm Steve McMurray in for Gary today. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help you plan your day, and another heat advisory on tap for today.
Yes, so we have a heat advisory in effect for the Mohawk Valley until 8 p.m. It is going to be another hot and humid day, but looking ahead to the middle of the week, the heat and humidity looks to break.
All right, that's good news, because
yes.
Yesterday was steamy.
Yes, definitely over this weekend it was hot.
Absolutely.
So let's take a look now. If you are heading out the door this morning, it is warm and humid to start. Temperatures are in the 70s. But in the afternoon and evening, highs are going to be near 90, going to be about 5 degrees warmer, feeling like, due to that humidity, and scattered showers and storms are possible. So expect heat and humidity once again today, with scattered showers and storms possible this afternoon and evening. That will continue tonight into tomorrow morning, with a low just around 70 overnight. Back to you, Steve.
Hannah, thank you.
Here's a live look at our Cooperstown camera. We are seeing clear skies and sunshine here this morning, but we will start to see an increase in clouds today and some scattered thunderstorms possible this afternoon and evening. But it is going to be very hot and humid once again today, with dew point values in the 70s. Heading into tomorrow, we'll start to decrease a little bit as a cold front moves through. And for Wednesday through the rest of the week and into the weekend, it is going to feel a lot more comfortable with dew point values in the 50s on Wednesday and Thursday. Then they will even be in the 40s over the weekend. But as for today, it is going to be hazy, hot, and humid. A high right near 90. It is going to feel warmer because of that humidity, and scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening. And tonight, a few showers continue overnight with a low just around 70. Back to you, Steve.
Hannah, thanks. Great.
Welcome back. It is going to be another hot and humid day today with highs near 90. Let's take a look now at the heat advisory that is in effect. It is in effect for the Mohawk Valley until 8 p.m. We will be near 90, but it is going to feel about 5 degrees warmer because of dew point values in the 70s. So make sure you are staying hydrated today and limit your time outside. We are dry right now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, but there is going to be a stationary front lingering over us. That is going to bring some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. It will turn into a cold front for tomorrow, and showers and storms look to continue tomorrow morning and afternoon before the heat and humidity looks to break. But it does continue through today and into tomorrow. Scattered showers and storms are possible this afternoon through tomorrow morning, and the heat looks to break tomorrow, as well as the humidity for Wednesday. So for today, expect highs near 90. It is going to be pretty hot outside and humid, with thunderstorms possible this afternoon and this evening. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking another hazy, hot, and humid day with high temperatures expected to reach near 90. Let's take a look now at the Rapido Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are starting out with sunshine here this morning, but we will see an increase in cloud cover in preparation for the possibility of a few scattered showers and storms. But as of right now, we are dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, but there is a stationary front right over us, and that brings in the possibility of a few scattered showers and storms this afternoon and this evening. That stationary front will turn into a cold front and move through tomorrow, bringing some more scattered showers and storms in the morning hours of tomorrow, but it does look to break the heat and humidity for tomorrow night into Wednesday. But as for today, we will continue to be hot and humid. We have a heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. for the Mohawk Valley. It is going to feel about 5 degrees warmer because of dew point values in the 70s, so it is going to feel kind of like 95 to even maybe 100 degrees. According to our sky watchers, we are already starting out very warm this morning. We have 70 degrees in Old Forge and 74 degrees in New Hartford. Looking to the south, we have 69 degrees in Cooperstown and Morris and 70 degrees in Milford already here this morning. High temperatures today are going to reach right near 90, and it is going to be very, very humid outside once again. We have dew point values right near 70 for today and tomorrow. But come tomorrow night, we will start to get a lot more comfortable, and heading into Wednesday and Thursday, dew point values are going to be in the 50s, which is going to feel much more comfortable in comparison to what we have been seeing. Even looking ahead to Friday and for the weekend, dew point values are going to be in the 40s with high temperatures just in the lower to mid 70s. So after tomorrow, the heat and humidity does look to break for at least the near future. For today, though, highs are going to be right near 90. We will see an increase in cloud cover this morning, and scattered showers and storms are possible this afternoon and evening. Tonight, we will still be warm and humid. Scattered showers and storms continue overnight with the low around 70. And into tomorrow morning, those scattered showers and storms continue as the cold front pushes through. The cold front looks to be through by tomorrow evening. Highs are going to be just right near 80, so about 10 degrees cooler than what we've been seeing, and the humidity looks to break for Wednesday. For Wednesday, it is going to feel a lot better. Highs are going to be near 80, lower humidity, and a passing shower is possible. As for today, though, we are tracking an increase in cloud cover and some scattered showers and storms this afternoon and evening. Very hot and humid. It remains warm and humid overnight with the low around 70. So for tomorrow, a cold front moves through by the evening. Highs are just going to be right near 80 for tomorrow through Thursday. The humidity breaks for Wednesday and Thursday, and we get much more comfortable over the weekend with highs just in the lower to mid 70s.
Today off. Hot and humid today with chances of some thunderstorms. Let's get you over to meteorologist Hannah Evans. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sierra. At this point, we are tracking a few light scattered showers and thunderstorms, but we could be seeing some more thunderstorms as we head into the evening. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. At this point, we are seeing very brief showers and thunderstorms kind of moving through, and we are going to continue to see some more thunderstorms through the evening and into tomorrow as a cold front moves through. But today, we are remaining pretty hot and humid. Temperatures at 81 degrees, but it feels like 86 degrees because it is very, very humid with that dew point value in the mid-70s. The heat and humidity will continue today and into a little bit of tomorrow. We are tracking some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon through tomorrow morning, but then later on tomorrow, that is when the humidity starts to break as well as the heat as a cold front pushes throughout the day. So as for today, we are still tracking hot and humid conditions with a few thunderstorms. Highs are going to be near 90, and then we'll be talking a little bit more when the heat and humidity will break coming up. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. We're learning more about a massive
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking hazy, hot, and humid weather conditions today once again, with highs looking to reach near 90. Let's take a look at the CAVI tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing more clouds in the sky here this afternoon, and there are a couple scattered showers happening at this point. So here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking a few pop-up showers moving through the Mohawk Valley, and there is the possibility to see some scattered thunderstorms later on this afternoon and into the evening through tomorrow morning. This is due to a stationary front that is just sitting above us. It is going to move into a cold front tomorrow, and that is going to move throughout the day tomorrow, finally breaking the heat and humidity as we head into the later hours of tomorrow into Wednesday. But as of right now, it is still very hot and humid. We are ranging in the 80s mostly, 80 degrees in Old Forge, 84 degrees in Gray and Cassville, and 88 degrees in Clinton already here this afternoon. The National Weather Service has put a heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. for just the Mohawk Valley. Our high temperatures are going to be near 90 once again, and it is going to feel about 5 degrees warmer because of dew point values in the mid-70s. Very, very humid today, so it is going to feel like the mid to upper 90s here this afternoon. Very, very humid today, but as we head into tomorrow, that cold front will move through with the region, and that is going to drop the humidity a little bit tomorrow into the 60s for the dew point value. And as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, we'll be in the 50s for the dew points. So starting to get pretty comfortable, and we will be in the 40s for the dew point over the weekend. So it is going to get better. I would say Wednesday is the day that it is going to feel a lot more comfortable in terms of dew point and in terms of temperature. So let's take a look at everything on the SkyCast. Here this afternoon, we are expecting high temperatures to reach right near 90. We will possibly see a few scattered thunderstorms moving through later on this afternoon into the evening. That will last into the overnight hours into the morning hours of tomorrow. Tomorrow, it is still going to be pretty humid throughout the day, but a lot less hot. High temperatures are just going to be near 80 as that cold front pushes through, and we do look to dry out tomorrow night. Heading into Wednesday, it gets a lot less humid. Dew point values will be in the 50s rather than the 60s and 70s. We will be seeing partly cloudy skies on Wednesday. A passing shower is possible, and highs are going to be right near 80, and once again with lower dew point values, feeling a lot more comfortable. As for today, though, our highs are going to be near 90. Hazy, hot, and humid conditions continue, and scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and evening. Tonight, a few showers are still possible overnight into early tomorrow morning, with a low just around 70, still very humid overnight. But as we head into tomorrow, a cold front is passing through. We will be a lot cooler in terms of temperature. Highs are going to be right near 80, but still a little bit muggy. The humidity looks to break on Wednesday. We will be much more comfortable for Wednesday and Thursday, with a passing shower possible on both days. And over the weekend, a lot cooler, with highs just in the lower to mid-70s and very low dew point values. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. It's official. Good afternoon. I'm Sarah Williams. Gary has the day off. There is a heat advisory in effect for the Mohawk Valley, and thunderstorms are expected for later this evening. Let's get you over to meteorologist Hannah Evans for a first look at your forecast.
We are tracking a few pop-up showers at this point in the afternoon, but scattered thunderstorms are possible later on. Very hot and humid today. Taking a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, a few pop-up showers are moving through the Mohawk Valley at this point, and scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon through tomorrow morning as a cold front moves through tomorrow morning. But right now we are still very hot and humid. Temperature at 81 degrees at the Grievous Park Airport in Rome. It feels 5 degrees warmer because of that dew point value in the mid 70s. Very, very humid here this afternoon. So dew point values today are going to be in the 70s. It will drop a little bit tomorrow as a cold front pushes through, but ultimately it is going to be much more comfortable on Wednesday and Thursday with dew point values in the 50s. And looking ahead to the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we will see dew point values in the 40s. So it is going to feel very, very comfortable over this upcoming weekend. But as of today, the heat and humidity does continue. Scattered showers and storms are possible this afternoon through tomorrow morning. As a cold front moves through tomorrow morning, we will dry out tomorrow evening, and it is going to be a lot less hot tomorrow. The humidity will start to break. The heat breaks tomorrow with highs just near 80 rather than near 90 like today. So as for today, our high temperature is near 90. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible, and it is still going to remain very humid. And I will be talking a little bit more about when this heat and humidity will break coming up. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. This morning, the results of
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking partly sunny skies this afternoon. Still hazy, hot, and humid. Highs are going to be near 90. Let's take a look now at the Cavie Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. At this point, we are seeing partly sunny skies, but some rain showers did just pass through a few minutes ago. At this point, our temperatures are all in the 80s, but it feels about 5 degrees warmer because of that humidity. Taking a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we can see a few passing showers kind of passing through the Mohawk Valley at this point. Scattered thunderstorms are also possible this afternoon and through tomorrow morning as the stationary front turns into a cold front and moves through. So at this point, we are still pretty hot and humid this afternoon, and we are seeing scattered thunderstorms. But come tomorrow, a cold front will pass throughout the day. That will finally break the heat and humidity for the rest of the week. According to our sky watchers this afternoon, we are mainly in the 80s, but it feels about 5 degrees warmer. We're measuring 84 degrees in Gray and Cassville, 89 degrees already in Otsego, and 88 degrees in Clinton. High temperatures today are near 90, and because of the humidity, the National Weather Service has put a heat advisory in effect for the Mohawk Valley until 8 p.m. We are expecting heat index values to be between the mid to upper 90s. It is going to be very hot once again today, so make sure you are staying hydrated and limiting your time outside. And humidity dew point levels are going to be in the 70s, so very, very humid for today. Come tomorrow, it is going to drop a little bit, just into the 60s. And as that cold front pushes through by tomorrow evening, that gives us much more comfortable humidity levels for Wednesday and Thursday. They will be in the 50s, and even looking ahead to the weekend, we look to drop to the 40s for dew point levels and getting pretty cool with temperatures just in the lower to mid 70s. So this is going to break soon. Let's take a look on the sky cast. At this point, we are still seeing high temperatures right near 90. Scattered thunderstorms are possible this afternoon and tonight as the stationary front starts to approach us. And tomorrow, a cold front will move through in the morning and afternoon hours, bringing some more scattered showers and thunderstorms. But high temperatures tomorrow will drop. They will just be near 80 rather than near 90. We will also be seeing less humid conditions heading into Wednesday. So on Wednesday, it also is going to be a lot cooler. We are expecting partly cloudy skies. A few passing showers are possible, but otherwise mostly dry. Highs near 80 with dew point values in the 50s. So a lot less humid weather is expecting to come in on Wednesday, and that will last for the rest of the week and into the weekend. As for today, though, we are still seeing hazy, hot, and humid weather conditions. Highs are going to be right near 90, but it is going to feel about 5 degrees warmer because dew point values are in the 70s. Very, very humid. We are also tracking a few scattered thunderstorms for this afternoon and evening. Tonight, a low is just around 70. Thunderstorms and showers do continue overnight, and it does remain humid. As for tomorrow, it is going to be a little bit cooler with highs near 80, but still a bit muggy, so scattered thunderstorms are possible in the morning as a cold front moves through. On Wednesday and Thursday, we will be much less humid. Dew point values in the 50s. A passing shower or two is possible on both of those days. But come the weekend, it looks dry, very, very comfortable with high temperatures just in the lower to mid 70s. We'll be right back.
Is off tonight. Where there's heat and humidity, there's a risk for storms, and that's what we're seeing today after days of haziness. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in the Weather Center now with a look at the temperatures, a storm threat. We've got some thunderstorms moving through parts of Herkimer County. You're tracking them right now.
Yes, that's right. And the biggest threat for those is locally heavy downpours. Because of the high humidity, the moisture in the atmosphere is causing upwards of 2 inches in the atmosphere that can be dumping on some parts of the area. So you can see on the radar right now, the red parts you're seeing right now moving just out of Herkimer County. We're seeing some of these downpours being very strong, moving throughout some parts of the area, moving out towards the east. There's a few isolated downpours moving throughout some parts of the Mohawk Valley. However, these showers are not as strong. The strongest showers are towards Herkimer County, once again moving out towards the east. We're not tracking any significant rain showers, at least for most parts of the rest of the area, for the next couple of minutes, even an hour or so. There is a heat advisory in effect still for some parts of the area, but following those showers, the temperatures are cooling down into the lower 70s, so the heat advisory for Oneida, Madison, as well as southern Herkimer County is likely to be canceled within the next hour or so. Current temperature is 78 degrees in the Mohawk Valley right now, with the dew points still in the 70s. The humidity will not be looking to end, at least for today, as scattered showers and storms will continue this evening. Some storms could produce locally heavy rainfall as well. Those storms are still moving outside of Herkimer County right now, and the heat humidity will be looking to break tomorrow. This evening, though, temperatures in the 80s and 70s. Scattered showers and storms. Have your full week forecast coming up. Back over to you, Jason.
All right, thanks very much, Eric. We're following
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. A very warm start to the work week with temperatures warming up into the 80s throughout the afternoon. But as some showers move through ahead of a cold front arriving tomorrow, we are seeing temperatures slowly cool down into the 70s. Here's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. You can see a few stray showers right now moving through the area. The heaviest rainfall has moved through Herkimer County right now. More on that in just a second. Take a look on our New York State Mesonet. As you can see, mostly sunny skies made way for a few isolated showers and storms. And now we are currently seeing a lot of overcast skies and mostly cloudy skies, along with a few continuing scattered showers moving through our area. This will continue at least for the next several hours, including overnight, with decreasing chances of rainfall heading into today, tonight, and even tomorrow, as well as Wednesday and Thursday. A live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, a Doppler radar. We're seeing a lot of scattered showers moving throughout most of our area right now. Some are producing locally heavy downpours. The one we're keeping an eye out right now is the one moving directly out of Herkimer County right now, moving towards Hamilton County. This is producing very heavy rainfall and some gusty winds as well. There were reports of wind damage way out towards Lewis County and out towards the western part of our area, but thankfully so far no reports of wind damage. There are reports of power outages, however, currently some from these wind gusts, but still the biggest risk was locally heavy rainfall. Local temperatures, you can see, slowly cooling down. 75 at Big Moose, 77 in Whitesboro, 76 in Westmoreland, 77 degrees in Deansboro. The humidity is still remaining in the air, however. You can see cooling down in the southern valleys, warming up into the 80s, 85 in Skenevis, 87 in Sherburne, and 84 degrees in Norwich. The bigger picture, these scattered showers and storms are due to what's called a trough. It's basically a ripple in the atmosphere ahead of the stationary front that will be slowly turning into a cold front, as this will be strengthening as a low pressure, you can see right here, starts to develop and move along this line. Now, for the next several hours into tonight and even tomorrow morning, this will turn into a cold front. And as you can see, very humid conditions down to our south. But if you're looking to see when the humidity will be ending, the good news is it will be ending tomorrow as a cold front moves through the afternoon and evening hours. It will slowly start lowering the dew points from the 70s down into the 60s and 50s as we look ahead towards Thursday and Friday. But definitely some relief after several days of dew points in the 70s, a very warm and very humid stretch of weather over the past several days. On our Skycast, a story overnight, scattered showers and storms, the possibility moving throughout some parts of our area. Overnight and early tomorrow morning, you can see some scattered showers continuing. Some isolated storms are possible as they develop out towards the southern part of our area. Now, after the afternoon hours, you can see about 8 p.m. on Tuesday, A lot of dry conditions with a few brief showers possible, mainly more on the sprinkling side. See temperatures cooling down finally into the 60s. The humidity will be slowly breaking. You can see temperatures cooling down in much more seasonable conditions down into the 50s. Now you're noticing a few isolated sprinkles. This is due to some lake effect showers due to the lakes of Lake Ontario still being very warm for this time of year. Now rainfall outlook as you look ahead towards the rest of the week. Showers possible on Tuesday, less of a chance Wednesday and Thursday, and by Friday we're looking mostly dry as some rain showers move out of our area and high pressure builds in from the west. Tonight, a low of 71. A few showers are possible. Tomorrow, high of 79 degrees. Definitely less humid and definitely less hot as well. A dry evening as we look ahead towards the next 7 days. We can see temperatures cooling down into the upper 70s to low 80s. Definitely not reaching temperatures in the 90s for the near future. Looking ahead towards much more dry conditions. Cooling down only into the low 70s as we look ahead towards Saturday. And coming up, we'll look ahead at actually what we saw for temperatures, even heat indices that reached the hundreds some parts of our area.
Wow. All right. Thanks,
Very
Aaron.
warm.
Very warm. There was plenty of action at the Savoy area. We turn over to meteorologist Eric Gage, who is in for Bill tonight. And we're talking, before we get to where those storms are now, we're talking a little bit more about how hot it felt like today.
Yes.
It felt hot.
Yes, and over the past several days, including the past weekend, it's been very hot, and we did not reach the 100-degree mark for the heat index. Now, what this is not the temperature, is what the temperature feels like when you factor in humidity along with the temperature and with a very, very high humidity. In fact, it was one of the most humid days so far this year. We finally reached 100 degrees in the Mohawk Valley. It felt like 100 degrees in Camden, 99 degrees in Herkimer, 98 in Westmoreland, reaching 95 degrees in Griffiths Park in Rome, with 95 in Sherburne, even 92 in the Southern Valleys in Lawrence. Now, looking ahead over the next several days, we are finally looking ahead towards a below average pattern for some hot temperatures, looking ahead towards very much cooler temperatures, only in the lower to mid 70s, lower than average for this time of year. This time of year, we're tracking temperatures usually in the low 80s. As you can see, most of our area is in the normal to even below average part of the area. Now, live look at for battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, as you said before, unsettled weather is still moving through our area. However, it is moving further out towards the east, towards Albany right now. We are still tracking a few isolated to more scattered showers moving throughout our area, moving towards the western part of Oneida County, moving towards the eastern part of Herkimer County, as well as Otsego County. We'll keep track of these showers and storms moving throughout the next half hour, bring more up to date, along with what to expect for dew points as looking ahead towards next several days. Dew points will be lowering, be less humid over the next several days. Look at that is coming up. Back over to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. The Utica Zoo has weather center. Sometimes that's hard to say. I don't know why.
A bit of a tongue twister, I feel like.
The easy words to say, meteorologist Eric Gage, and you are talking dew points. It's humid out there.
Yes.
Still at this hour.
Yes, even with some of the showers and storms moving through, the humidity is still remaining. We're not looking ahead to see any dew point changes, at least until tomorrow. Now, I want to bring guys up to date. The heat advisory for southern Oneida County was just canceled within the last minute or so. You can probably feel it with the temperatures feeling a lot more reasonable in the 70s. Now, looking ahead on our Skycast for dew points over the next several days, you can see dew points very warm. These are usually the highest dew points we see in our area, with dew points in the mid 70s. And looking ahead towards tomorrow on around 5:30 p.m., you can see dew points in the 60s, much more seasonable, but still a little bit muggy out. But you can see looking ahead towards Wednesday, dew points still lowering down in the upper 50s to low 60s. Definitely a lot more seasonable. And you can see our dew point trend over the next several days cooling down into the 50s as we head into Thursday, even possibly the 40s. Look ahead towards Friday. Definitely much more comfortable humidity over the next several days. And also with the humidity, looking ahead towards temperature changes. See the next 5 days cooling it down into the 70s and lower 80s. A much more cooler stretch of weather ahead of us for this week. Now, last look at our radar for this half hour right now. We're seeing additional showers and storms moving throughout our area this evening, but some of them are not looking to be strong. Those strongest storms are currently moving through Hamilton County right now and still moving further out towards the east. And coming up, we'll be talking about the whole full week ahead, I should say, coming up. Back over to you.
Eric, thank you. We have breaking news.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. We are tracking a few scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms that move through our area early on this evening. However, we're still tracking a few that are lingering on throughout our area with additional cloud cover. Here's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera. Actually, if you look at today's almanac first, I want to basically bring up the fact that we did not break any records today. High for today of 86 degrees, a low of 71. We actually matched the record yesterday for the lowest temperature, highest low temperature recorded for this time of year, and records you can see right on the right of your screen, 93 degrees set in 1983, 42 for the low in 1929. We didn't measure 0.41 inches of rainfall in the Rome region today. So definitely some much needed rainfall across the area. Now live look at our Caveat Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. You can see a little bit of a haze too. The humidity has not broken, but still seeing a few lingering showers. None on the strong side right now. But we do have some breaking news. It has to do with some of these showers that moved through earlier on a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. I want to rewind the past 3 hours and then zoom into the North Country in northern Oneida County and see this very strong line of storms and showers that moved through some parts of the area over the last several hours or so. This did produce some numerous power outages, as you can see on our map. 3,200 power outages reported in the northern part of Oneida County, as well as over 3,900 power outages reported in Herkimer County. They are still, the power outage threat for right now is mostly over, as those storms are now moving out towards the east right now. So currently the biggest risk right now is some additional rain showers. The storm threat is mainly over with. Temperatures this evening, 81 degrees in Inlet, 82 in Old Forge. But as you can see, as those rain showers move through, those temperatures dropped pretty quickly in the mid-70s. 75 in Barneveld, Alder Creek and Forestport, as well as 79 in New Hartford and 77 degrees in Clinton, 86 earlier on in Mohawk. Southern Valley's temperatures still on the warm side. Not a lot of showers reported. 90 degrees in Morris, 84 in Milford, 85 in Worcester, 87 degrees in Cooperstown. And so look ahead towards the north, 74 in Sequoia and 75 degrees in Cassville. The bigger picture, these showers and storms are due to a trough, a bit of a disturbance in the atmosphere, basically a ripple in the atmosphere. If you think of the atmosphere like water, you can see how this is producing a few isolated showers and storms, mainly the one up towards the North Country that did produce a lot of very strong winds and rain showers. Now looking ahead towards tomorrow, as this stationary front turns into a cold front, as this low pressure system starts to strengthen, we can see a lot more dry conditions. As behind this cold front, you can see very dry conditions with very low dew points in the 50s. This will be the story as we look ahead towards Thursday and Friday. Much more seasonable temperatures, much cooler temperatures as well. On our Skycast, pulling this all out, you can see temperatures tonight only cooling down into the 70s. A very hot and humid day. Although it will be cooling down, the cold front will not be arriving, so the dew points will still remain very high overnight, cooling down only into the 70s. Additional rain showers and storms are possible overnight. A few lingering showers overnight heading into early Tuesday morning. Temperatures cooling down into the 60s to early Wednesday morning, so definitely you can see the lower humidity from that. Additional cloud cover as well, and a few lingering showers on the weak side. Look ahead towards Wednesday. Most of us will remain dry throughout the day over the next several days. Tonight, a low of 71, a few showers are possible tomorrow, a high of 79 degrees, noticeably less warm with morning showers, and the evening looks dry. On the breezy side as well, as that cold front moves through in the evening. Our 7-day forecast, as you look ahead, the temperatures look a lot more seasonable, only reaching upper 70s to low 80s throughout the rest of the week, and cooling down only in the upper 70s to low mid 70s. Look ahead towards Sunday and Monday.
Scattered showers and storms rolling through the area. Over 3,000 without power in Oneida County right now. Nearly 4,000 in Herkimer County. Let's get you right over to meteorologist Eric Gage in for Bill tonight for a first look at the forecast. Eric, good evening.
Good evening, Jason. Yes, well, the good news is that the strongest storms are now outside of our area, just leaving out towards the Albany area right now. We're tracking a few lingering showers on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We can see a few lingering showers right here through the Mohawk Valley and further up towards the North Country right now. As you can see, the stronger storms are moving out towards Johnsburg, out towards the Albany area. As you can see, these are the storms that produce some very strong wind gusts. If I rewind for the last 3 hours, you can see exactly where these storms move through. You see exactly right here. These storms produce the strongest winds moving right in the northern part of Oneida County and the middle part, even northern part of Herkimer County. Now, the heat advisory is canceled for Oneida County, but it's still moving on for southern Herkimer County, southern Fulton County, and most of Montgomery County until 8 p.m. tonight. However, this might be canceled as some rain showers move through our area. Current temperature is 76 degrees with dew points still in the 70s, so the humidity has not broken yet, but it will do so soon. Scattered showers and storms this evening. Some storms, said before, produce locally heavy downpours. Most of those heavy downpours are outside of our area for this time. Now, heat and humidity will break tomorrow, but this evening temperatures in the 80s and 70s with scattered showers continuing. Have a full forecast coming up. Back over to you, Jason.
All right, thank you, Eric. We continue to follow a developing story out of Otsego County.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. A very hot and very humid day across central New York, but as some showers move through, those temperatures are cooling down into the 70s. Much more refreshing temperatures, but the humidity is still remaining at least until tomorrow. Here's a live look at our Marabout camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. You can see some unsettled weather looking out towards the east. This camera is looking out towards the east, towards Delaware County. And there are some storms moving out towards the Albany area right now. However, most of our area is just seeing some few scattered showers. Now, looking across the state, on the New York State Mesonet, as you can see once again, there are mostly cloudy skies to some mostly overcast skies, a few lingering showers. The strongest showers that produce some power outages are moving outside of our area for right now. So currently all we are seeing are some lingering showers. You can see right here on the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, some much needed showers moving through some parts of the Mohawk Valley as well as the North Country as well. Maybe even too much rain as some very heavy downpours move through northern Oneida County and the central and northern part of Herkimer County over the past several hours. Scourge temperatures in the early afternoon, 82 in Old Forge, 81 in Inlet, but as you can see, as some rain showers move through, those temperatures quickly cool down into the mid-70s, much more refreshing. 75 Foresport, 72 in West Leiden, 75 in Barneveld, as well as Norway, 82 in Middleville, and you see 86 before those showers move through in Mohawk, 73 in Schuyler, and 79 in New Hartford. Southern Valley's similar conditions, however, the warm temperatures are still ahead of those showers. 84 in Milford, 85 in Worcester, 87 in Cooperstown, 88 degrees in Paynes Hollow. On our radar and satellite, the bigger picture, as you can see right here, these are due to a trough, a bit of a ripple or disturbance in the atmosphere that can cause a few isolated to scattered showers. Some were on the stronger side, especially on the wind side as it moved through our area. Now, because there wasn't a lot of rotation due to the jet stream being way far up to the north, there was not a risk of tornadoes or hail with these storms, just some very gusty winds and some heavy rainfall. Now, tomorrow, as we look ahead towards the early afternoon, a cold front moves through as we head into the evening hours, finally breaking the humidity after several days of high heat and humidity as some lingering showers will move through the area in the early morning hours and continue into the early afternoon before we finally see some dry conditions as we look ahead towards the evening on Tuesday. On our Skycast, you can see ahead over tonight, mostly cloudy skies, a few lingering showers, and an isolated storm or two cannot be ruled out of the picture. We look ahead towards tomorrow. See, by 8 p.m., the lingering showers and storms move through our area as a cold front finally moves through. It will be on the breezy side, but definitely way more noticeably less humid with dew points in the 60s and 50s as you get temperatures cooling down into the 70s and finally cooling down into the lower 60s, even 50s possibly as we look ahead towards early Wednesday morning. Mostly cloudy skies make way for a few lingering lake effect sprinkles as we look ahead towards Wednesday. The temperature of Oneida Lake Ontario out towards the west, air temperatures in the water in the mid to upper 70s, so a very warm lake temperature makes way for a few isolated showers from lake effect. Now, in MoCast, Tuesday, you want to get some yard work done later on in the evening. Wednesday and Thursday, a better chance of seeing some much more dry conditions. An isolated sprinkle cannot be ruled out for both days, however, decreasing chances as we look ahead towards Friday. Tonight, lingering showers, a few thunderstorms are possible as well. Low of 71. Tomorrow, high of 79. Less humid and less high with warning showers and dry evening. Looking ahead towards the next 7 days, you can see the next 7 days are looking a bit less hot with temperatures cooling down in the upper 70s to low 80s. Looking ahead towards Friday and Saturday, temperatures cooling down into the low 70s.
All right, Eric, thanks very much. Still to come on Newscast tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric, good evening.
Good evening, Jason. We are tracking a few isolated showers and storms moving throughout our area over the next couple of hours, mainly on the weaker side. Those stronger showers did move through earlier on, especially in northern Oneida County, as well as the central and northern Herkimer County. Now, thankfully, a lot of these stronger showers are over with. Take a look at our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. We are tracking additional showers out to the west right now. These will be moving into our area over the next several hours, and some additional showers will continue overnight and do early tomorrow morning for a cold front. Finally, it brings some relief to some of this humidity as we look ahead towards tomorrow evening. Our current temperature is 74 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with some clear skies, but additional showers are possible. Let's take a look at dew points in the low 70s. So we're tracking very humid conditions continuing until tomorrow morning, even tomorrow afternoon, as like I said before, a cold front moves through tomorrow. Now, scattered showers overnight, scattered showers possible tomorrow morning as well. And the unofficial heat wave comes to an end tomorrow. We're tracking temperatures cooling down into the 70s and lower 80s over the next several days. Now, tonight, stray showers or two moving throughout our area, low of 71 degrees. Have your full week forecast, including when those showers come to an end, coming up. Back over to you.
Eric, thank you. New York's second round of
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Some parts of our area saw some very heavy downpours and gusty winds, while other parts of our area, including our live look at our Cooperstown camera, didn't see a lot of showers so far today. As most of these showers were on the scattered side. However, they did move mainly in the northern part of Oneida County and then strengthened as they moved right across central and northern Herkimer County before extending out towards the east. Now, we are tracking a few additional showers continuing into our area overnight and early tomorrow morning. Here's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We can see some showers out towards the west. They'll be slowly moving into our area over the next several hours. Now, some of these showers are going to be on the weaker side, a few locally heavy rainfall, not some downpours, but still some noticeable rainfall. These will be on the scattered to isolated side, so not everyone will see showers tonight. Around the clock, starting out tomorrow, warm up into the 70s and remain in the 70s. A very mild day tomorrow. Over the past several days, we saw temperatures in the 80s, a very warm stretch of weather coming to an end. Breezy tomorrow as well. Wind speeds between 10 to 15 miles per hour as a cold front arrives from the west and slowly pushes throughout the day as a stationary front transforms into a cold front. Now, temperatures will feel like the 70s. The high heat and the high humidity will not cause feel-like temperatures to feel like the 90s anymore. So feel very much of a relief to people who are working outside. People are spending a lot of time outside as well. Now, weather grades, additional showers in the early morning hours that make way for some breezy and dry conditions as we head into the evening as temperatures look to cool off into the 70s and 60s. Even the 50s overnight as look ahead towards tomorrow night. Bigger picture, a stationary front over top of our area with a trough that did produce some substantial rainfall in some parts of the area with very high humidity. That is slowly moving out towards the east, and now tonight and into early tomorrow morning, a cold front arrives from the west and pushes slowly across our state, bringing some much drier conditions across our area over the next several days, including much less humidity as we look ahead towards Thursday and Friday. On our Skycast, as you can see, a few scattered showers moving throughout our area overnight and early tomorrow morning. Rain showers in the morning hours make way for some dry conditions into the evening as a cold front, as you can see, pushes through as we look ahead towards 5 o'clock in the evening. Temperatures remaining in the upper 70s and cooling down into the 60s and 50s overnight. A big change compared to tonight, cooling down only into the 70s. On Wednesday, breezy conditions as well. A few isolated showers and sprinkles are possible from some lake effect showers due to the Lake Ontario being very warm. Now, if you're looking to get some yard work done, Tuesday late, a better chance as the rain showers look to end later on. Wednesday and Thursday, much more drier conditions. Beautiful days for that. Tonight, low of 71 degrees, a few showers as well. Tomorrow, high of 79. Morning showers, your evening looks dry. Our 7-day forecast, no more hazy, hot and humid 90-degree days on our forecast for the near future. We see next weekend cooling down only into the upper 70s.
forecast tonight. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Jason. We are tracking a few scattered showers moving into our area over the next couple of hours. They're currently outside of Oneida County right now, slowly moving out towards the east. There's a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing additional showers moving in from the west. You can see how quickly they're moving. They're moving over our area over the next several hours, even overnight. And we're tracking a few additional showers, scattered showers moving through our area in the early morning hours and afternoon before looking to dry out by the evening hours tomorrow. Current temperature is 74 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with clear skies and once again passing showers moving through from the west over the next several hours or so. And dew points are still in the 70s, so humidity has not broken yet, but it will do so pretty quickly over the next several days. So scattered showers possible overnight tonight. Scattered showers as well for tomorrow morning as well. An unofficial heat wave looks to be coming to an end by tomorrow. Looking ahead towards the next several days, cooling down to much more seasonable temperatures in the 70s and low 80s with noticeable less humidity as we look ahead towards Wednesday and Thursday. Look at those full details coming up. Back over to you, Jason.
Eric, thank you. New York's second round of
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Some parts of our area did see some pretty heavy downpours and gusty winds causing thousands to be without power over a couple hours. looking ahead last several hours over the evening. Now, one area that did not see a lot of heavy downpours is Cooperstown. Live look at a Cooperstown camera right now. Seeing mostly dry conditions. However, we'll take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing a few isolated to scattered showers arriving from the west over the next several hours. This will continue overnight into the early morning hours tomorrow before a cold front finally pushes through, breaking the humidity and breaking the rain showers and cooling down our air into the 70s over the next several hours by tomorrow afternoon. Around the clock, we start out in the 70s and remain in the 70s. A much relief over the past several days. We saw temperatures in the 80s and even 90s. Now, wind speed on the breezy side as a cold front arrives from the west tomorrow. This will be a slow-moving cold front arriving from the northwest, slowly pushing down. We'll see breezy conditions. However, take a look at our feels-like temperatures as we factor in the humidity along with the temperature. Definitely not feeling like the 90s that we saw today. Actually, one area, Camden, saw temperatures in the hundreds for feels-like temperatures. Now, around the clock tomorrow, morning showers are possible for weather grades. As you can see, as we head into the evening, temperatures look to cool down into the lower 70s with increasing cloud cover, but mostly breezy and dry conditions as we look ahead towards the evening. Radar and satellite, the bigger picture, this is what is currently happening over the past several hours. You see a trough and upper level disturbance, basically a ripple in the atmosphere that caused some scattered showers and a few intense showers and storms in the North Country and northern United County. Now, as this moves through our area by tomorrow, you can see a cold front pushing through and bringing in some very dry conditions and definitely much less humid. Looking ahead towards the next several days, additional scattered showers are possible tomorrow morning. As we look ahead towards the next several days, decreasing chances of rainfall. On our Skycast overnight, as I said before, scattered showers are possible, cooling down only into the low 70s, warming up tomorrow into the low 80s and upper 70s as well with a few passing showers. But as you can see, as a cold front moves through, we do dry out overnight tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies. Now, as you can see, because of the very high temperature on Lake Ontario, a few isolated sprinkles are possible. And looking ahead towards Wednesday morning to early afternoon, we look to dry out by Wednesday evening. Even a few scattered showers are possible on Thursday, ahead of a cold front bringing those dew points down very strongly as we head towards Friday. Now, MoCast. Tuesday late, best chance to get some yard work done. Wednesday and Thursday, even better. Looking ahead towards mostly dry conditions. Tonight, a low of 71 degrees. A few passing showers are possible, some much needed showers. Tomorrow, a high of 79 degrees after the morning showers move through. The evening looks dry and breezy. Our 7-day forecast, looking ahead toward the next several days. As you can see, not any 90-degree hazy, hot, and humid conditions over the next several days.